Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an envelope. And the best part is the only two things you'll need are a piece of printer paper and scissors, or a trimmer. I love using my trimmer, so that's what I'll be using today. All right, first we're going to take our piece of paper and starting with the top left corner, we're going to take that and fold it towards the bottom right corner. Next, we're going to take our scissors or trimmer and cut this rectangle off to make a square piece of paper just like this. Now, we're going to take our square piece of paper, turn it clockwise, and again, fold the top left corner towards the bottom right corner. Then, make a small crease right in the middle. Now you can see we have an X on our square piece of paper. We're going to use those as guidelines. Now, take the top right corner and fold it towards the middle of the X. Next, take the bottom left corner and fold it towards the middle of the X. Then, we'll take the bottom right corner and also fold it towards the middle of the X. Now, turn your paper with the point facing down and open up the top. Next, take the bottom piece and fold it up towards this top line. Now, unfold the bottom piece and fold the bottom right piece. Then, fold the bottom left piece. Next, we're going to fold the bottom piece back up. And then we're going to fold the tip of this triangle piece down. Okay, here's where it gets a little tricky. We're going to open up the bottom of our envelope. And right under my thumbs, you should see two triangles. We're going to fold in these two triangles. Then we'll fold in the top triangle to make a square. Lastly, we'll fold up the bottom piece and take the sides of the envelope and put them in the square. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out and I hope to see you in my next one.